Hey Aquarius, let's see what are the messages that pop out for Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. What are the messages that come out for Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs? Any messages for Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs? Guys, please excuse the noise outside. People are just working and they don't know I'm recording. So my house can be a little noisy sometimes. You've got the Moon card, the Eight of Cups, and the Judgment card so far. Gemini energy is with the Lover, Aquarius, the Wheel of Fortune. You've got the Two of Cups as well. Heavy Gemini energies. Something to do with love, lots of romantic energies. Card at the bottom of the deck is the Empress. You guys may be feeling very creative, or you're indulging in things that stimulate your creativity, spirituality, and give you a sense of pers- a new sense of perspective. I also feel that in the recent past, you guys were surrounded by people who kept secrets from you or who were deceptive. Could be a Piscean that you were involved with, but now I feel that the times have changed. They are changing, and you're moving on from things that do not serve you anymore, Aquarius. Probably you've given up on things that no longer work for your benefit, and this is the time when you take to rejuvenate, you take to delve a little deeper and do stuff within yourself, like meditate or indulge in soulful music or just a long drive, if nothing else. Spending time with people who are good for your mental health is what you are indulging in, and you're going to be getting some kind of closure. For those who are not in a romantic relationship, it could be a spiritual union. You might be getting into a union. Probably your parents have lined up proposals for you. Your mother plays an important role in your life, and you might be tying the knot or just giving marriage a chance in your life. And probably because of what has happened in the past, whatever things that, whatever situation that pushed you to move on, you're going to be getting some kind of closure, and it's going to be a beautiful one because it's leading you to a new beginning, a soulful new beginning, Aquarius. And also, it could be there could be a possibility of somebody from your past returning because you've got the reunion card over here. And this could be a person who in the past gave you a lot of anxiety, sleepless nights, bad dreams, um, probably things that affected your mental and physical health because of lack of rest. I see a lot of communication coming in. You're waiting on something, but be careful of selfish people. Be careful of whom you let in your life, because sometimes we don't realize that the person who we are letting in believes in hurting and then saying that whatever they did was for our own good, Aquarius, which is wrong, of course. So be aware of that energy. And I see good things for you. I see your wish fulfillment. At the bottom of the deck is the stability card with the Four of Wands. And Aquarius, all in all, I feel that you guys are headed towards stable waters, stable times. You're out of that hurtful energy that you were in the recent past. And whatever there is that you whatever it is that you're waiting on, a news or a communication regarding some kind of closure, you're going to be getting it very soon. In the past, you have felt as if things just couldn't move, and whatever you were trying to manifest was not coming to you. But rest assured, that is going to happen and it's going to change because you've got the Wheel of Fortune. Dates 18th, 10th, 19th, 16th, 13th are going to be important dates and numbers. So keep a lookout for those. Aquarius, I'm going to be taking out some oracle cards now. These may or may not be directly related to the tarot. So take them however they resonate with you. In the near future. Yes. Oh, I said yes, and the card at the bottom of the deck says yes. So, yes, I will take that as a sign, Aquarius. And more messages for Aquarius. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. Water. Drink more water, eat foods with water in them, such as fresh fruits and vegetables. Don't deprive yourself of water because it brings in the flow of energy in your life. And sometimes when we don't have water, don't you think we get irritated and we don't concentrate on stuff as efficiently as we do when we are, well hydrated. Make sure you're hydrated. Adjustments are required, Aquarius, and oh, you've got the show the world, the real you, full moon in Aquarius. Amazing cards, amazing reading, Aquarius. I hope it resonated with you. Thank you for watching. Bye.